Yeah, hi. So in this video, we are going to solve this problem. The problem is check if it is possible to split the array. Okay, and this is the problem that was asked in today's Leetcode contest. And let's try to first of all read out that what the problem statement is. So basically, we have that you are given an array nums of length n and an integer m. You need to determine if it is possible to split the array into n non-empty arrays by performing a series of steps. तो क्या द पॉइंट इज कि हम लोग को हर एलिमेंट्स को अलग अलग करना है वी हैव टू divide the array into n sub arrays. That means we have to make all the elements individual. Then in each step you can select one existing array with a length of at least 2 and split it into two sub arrays. ठीक है, हम लोग किसी भी टाइम पे अपने अपने एक array को दो पार्ट में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. And for each resulting subarray, at least one of the following condition holds, that the resultant subarray is the size of the resultant subarray is either 1 or the sum of elements of the subarray is greater than or equal to m, and we have to return if it is possible, and we have to return true for the possible case and false for impossible case. Okay, so this is the problem statement, and let's solve it. Okay, so let's assume that we have an array. So first of all, let's assume that there is only one element in the array. So we don't have to do anything, right? So in this case, it will be true. The second case is, let's say there are two elements in the array. This is A and this is B. So now in this case, what will happen? In this case, we can always split if the resultant array size is 1. So that means in this case, the answer will be true as well. Okay. Now here we have A, B and C. So in this case, what will happen? So the thing is, either this should be greater than equal to m, or this should be greater than equal to m. Okay, so in these two cases, I'll write it out here. If a plus b is greater than equal to m, or b plus c is greater than equal to m, then only the answer will be true, right? Now let's see one more case, and the things will get clear from this test case. A, B, C and D. Okay, so now if we are chopping this, so from the above conclusion we can take that either B plus C should be greater than equal to m, or C plus D should be greater than equal to m, right? And if we are taking the another case, then what is the thing? If we are chopping this, then we have this. So what we can write is a plus b is greater than equal to m. It will be true if a plus b is greater than equal to m, that the size is 3 here, we can see, which is similar to the above case. And in the above case, the answer was true when a plus b was greater than equal to m, or b plus c should be greater than equal to m, right? So similarly, I'm writing a plus b is greater than equal to m, and b plus c is common in both, but I'll write it here again. Okay. So what we are getting from this? We are getting from this that any of the adjacent element, that a plus b can be greater than equal to m, b plus c can be greater than equal to m, c plus m, d is greater than equal to m. तो अगर कोई भी दो कंसेक्यूटिव एलिमेंट का सम ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू m हो जाता है, देन द आंसर इज ट्रू. ओके, अब ये चीज हम लोग सिमिलर चीज हम लोग प्रूव कर सकते हैं 5 के लिए भी. सो लेट्स टेक वन मोर टेस्ट केस. तो अब हम लोग के पास 5 एलिमेंट होंगे, ए बी सी डी ई. तो लेट्स सपोज कि हम लोग इसको चॉप ऑफ कर रहे हैं, तो इसका मतलब यहाँ से क्या आएगा कि b plus c should be greater than equal to m, C plus D should be greater than equal to M. These are all ORs, right? कोई भी एक, ऐसा नहीं कि सारे होने चाहिए. Similarly, D plus E should be greater than equal to M. And similarly, अगर हम लोग chop off कर रहे हैं E को, तो इसमें A plus B should be greater than equal to M. यहाँ पे और होगा. And B plus C should be greater than equal to M, which I already covered. C plus D should be greater than equal to M, which I already covered. Right? So इसका मतलब क्या है कि अगर हम लोग का आंसर ट्रू है, so in that case कोई भी any one set of consecutive element should be greater than equal to M. In that case the answer will be true, otherwise the answer will be false. Okay, so इस केस में आंसर ट्रू होगा, otherwise the answer will be false. And now the point is कि what is the edge case? So the edge case will be the points 1 and 2 that I discussed, that if n is equal to 1 or n is equal to 2. So in these two test cases the answer will be true no matter what, and in other test cases the point that we mentioned here is the solution. Okay, so let's now code it out. Code is pretty simple. First of all, let's find out the size. If n is equal to 1, sorry, if n is less than equal to true, then return 1. Otherwise what we'll do is we will I is less than minus 1, I plus plus, and here I'll write if nums of I plus nums of I plus 1 is greater than equal to m, then return true. और अगर ऐसा नहीं होता है तो we'll simply return false. I think this should work. Let's see what's the solution here. It is working for all the sample test cases. Let's run it. So yeah, it is the correct solution. Now let's analyze the solution. So see here, this solution, in this solution clearly we can see that we have choices in every step, right? So my point is that we have an array and we are always considering to remove the element from the terminal positions, right? कि या तो हम यहाँ से remove करना चाह रहे हैं और या तो हम यहाँ से remove करना चाह रहे हैं. ऐसा क्यों? ऐसा इसलिए क्योंकि अगर हम लोग terminal से remove कर रहे हैं and we can see here, हम लोग यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं कि this array contains only positive elements, right? तो array में सिर्फ positive elements हैं. That means कि larger the subarray, the greater will be its size, right? तो अगर हम लोग let's say यहाँ से remove कर रहे हैं तो पहला element ये तो जो है, ये element तो single element है. That means इसका तो कोई problem नहीं है, right? और इसका sum maximum होगा, right? इसका maximum होगा, maximum possible sum होगा इसका, तो इसमें भी कोई problem नहीं आएगी, right? क्योंकि maximum sum होगा तो that means it will be obviously greater than equal to m if there is possibility of a subarray to be the maximum to be greater than m, right? तो ये चीज हो गई. अब अगर हम लोग इस पे सोचें तो हर स्टेप में either we are removing the element from the left terminal or the right terminal. That means हर स्टेप में हम लोग के पास choices हैं. Choice to remove from left or choice to remove from right. ठीक है, और ये choice है. Obviously there will be a condition कि sum जो हम लोग का है existing minus जो हम लोग left से अगर हम लोग delete कर रहे हैं तो this should be greater than equal to m, and similarly यहाँ पर होगा कि sum minus right should be greater than equal to m. ठीक है, but the thing is कि यहाँ पर हम लोग के पास choice है, तो जब भी choice होती है तो we can obviously solve it using recursion and then optimize it using dynamic programming, right? तो ये अपने पास option available था, but the solution that we discussed above is obviously the optimized one, right? So that is why we solve the problem using this approach. If you want the dynamic programming approach, then I can also make a video of it. Just put a comment in the comment section. Okay, and yeah, this is the solution. And basically, what I did is, so सबसे पहले to solve any problem, what I do is I try to start from the smallest test case. तो smallest test case से मैंने यहाँ पे देखा कि this will be true no matter what, because ये पहले से ही एक single element है. Then a comma b, this will be true. And after that, what I did is, after that I generalized the problem by taking the array size as 3, then 4, and then 5. And as soon as I reached this array size 4, the things were clear that हम लोग को सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक set of consecutive element चाहिए जिनका sum जो हो वो greater than equal to m. Okay, so yeah, this is the solution. I hope you like the solution. I hope you find it quite easy to follow. If you did, then please like the video, do put the comment section, and if you want to see more of such videos, then you can also consider subscribing to the channel as well. So that's it from mine. We'll meet in the next video, and